Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are good. Today in this video we are going to learn IT family words. Now let's start. BIT bit, FIT fit, HIT hit, KIT kit, LIT lit, PIT pit, SIT set, WIT wit, KNIT knit, SPIT spit, SKIT skit, SPLIT split. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.